Ice kind heated, as the ex used to say.
What the fuck is that supposed to mean, man? What are we gonna tell Lebowski?
Oh yeah, well, what exactly is the problem?
Huh? What do you mean? What the problem is, man? We didn't. They're gonna kill that poor woman.
What the fuck are you talking about, dude? That poor woman, that poor slut kidnapped herself, dude. You said so yourself.
No, Walter. I said I thought she kidnapped herself. You're the one who's so fucking certain.
That's right, dude. 100% certain.
Oh, they posted the next round of the tournament.
Shut the fuck.
Oh, when do we play?
It's next Saturday. Quintana.
Saturday. They're gonna have to reschedule it.
Walter, what are we?
Roll that fuck down at the league office. Who's in charge of scheduling?
Burkhalter.
I told that crowd 1,000 times I don't fucking roll on Shabbos.
Yeah, but it's already posted.
They can fucking unpost it!
Who gives a shit, man? What about that poor woman? What are we gonna tell Lebowski?
Eventually, she's gonna get sick of her little game and come wandering back.
How come you don't roll on Saturday, Walter?
I'm Shomer Shabbos.
What's that, Walter?
Yeah, and in the meantime, what are we gonna tell Lebowski?
Saturday, Donnie, is Shabbos, the Jewish day of rest. It means I don't work, I don't drive in a car, I don't fucking ride in a car, I don't handle money, I don't use the oven, and I sure as shit don't fucking roll! Sheesh. Shomer Shabbos!
Walter,
Shomer fucking
That's it. That's it.
Just got back from Illinois, locked the front door, oh boy. Gotta sit down on the porch and take a rest. Imagination kicking in, pretty soon I'm singing. Dude, looking at my back door. There's a giant doing cartwheels, a statue wearing high heels. Look at all the happy people dancing in the lawn. Oh, dinosaur controller. Listen to Buck Owens. Looking at my back door. Tambourine Ellison, the player in the band. Take a ride on a flying spoon. Wondrous apparition provided by magician. Looking at my back door. What the fuck is going on here?
What do you mean, man? What do you mean?
Does anybody have any respect for the fucking rules around here? Mark it 0! 0!
What, man? What? Put the piece away, man. You're calling the cops.
Tambourines and elephants are singing in the band. Won't you take a ride on the flying spoon? Father Johnny Morrow, today